Most people still think RC gadgets are just toys, but that belief is completely outdated. Today's RC machines use real vehicle tech, smart controls, and insane engineering. I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. Subscribe now because the gadgets you're about to see are unreal. Let's kick things off with the LOOZIX scale gesture sensing RC stunt car. Imagine controlling a car not with a joystick, but with your hand movements. This stunt car responds to gestures, making you feel like a magician commanding a machine. It flips, spins, and performs wild stunts with just a flick of your wrist. The fun part is how intuitive it feels. You don't need to be a pro gamer to master it. Picture yourself at a family gathering, showing off how your hand waves make the car dance across the floor. Kids and adults alike will be laughing and cheering. It's not just a toy, it's an experience that blends futuristic control with pure entertainment. And here's the kicker, because it's gesture-based, it feels more immersive than traditional RC cars. You're not just pressing buttons, you're physically interacting with the gadget, which makes every stunt feel personal. It's like stepping into the future of play. Now, shifting gears to something rugged, the Mostop RC crawler tank. This beast is built for conquering terrain. Think of rocky paths, sandy trails, or even muddy patches. It crawls through them like a miniature tank. The crawler design means it doesn't just race, it climbs, grips, and powers through obstacles. Imagine taking it outdoors on a hiking trip, setting it loose on the trail, and watching it tackle nature like a fearless explorer. It's perfect for anyone who loves adventure but wants to bring a gadget along for the ride. The tank-like build makes it feel unstoppable, and that's what makes it so unique. And here's the fun part. Because it's slow and deliberate compared to racing RC cars, you get to enjoy the journey. It's less about speed and more about strategy, finding the right path, testing its limits, and watching it overcome challenges. It's like having a mini off-road expedition right in your backyard. From rugged tanks to sleek speed, let's talk about the Lego Technic Ferrari racing car model. This isn't just a toy, it's a masterpiece you build yourself. Every piece clicks together to form a stunning replica of Ferrari's racing heritage. The joy here isn't just in the final product, but in the process. You're building a legend piece by piece, and when it's done, you've got a display-worthy model that screams sophistication. Imagine placing it on your desk. It's not just decoration, it's a conversation starter. Friends will ask, "Did you build that?" And you'll proudly say yes. It's a gadget that combines creativity, patience, and passion for cars. And here's the beauty of it. Building this Ferrari isn't just fun, it's therapeutic. It's the kind of project that lets you slow down, focus, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. And when you're done, you don't just have a model, you have a piece of engineering art that reflects your love for speed and design. Speaking of power, let's bring in the Redcat Landslide XTE. This RC monster truck is all about raw energy. It's big, bold, and built to dominate. With oversized tires and a powerful motor, it tears across dirt tracks like a beast unleashed. Picture yourself at a park, racing it against friends, watching it kick up dust as it roars ahead. The thrill is in its sheer force. It's not delicate, it's not subtle, it's pure adrenaline. And yet, it's surprisingly easy to control, making it accessible for anyone who wants to feel the rush of commanding a monster machine. What makes it even more exciting is how versatile it is. You can take it to dirt trails, grassy fields, or even gravel roads, and it still performs like a champ. It's the kind of gadget that makes you feel unstoppable, and every race feels like a showdown. Now let's add a touch of style with the Traxxas Mustang GT. This RC car isn't just about speed, it's about elegance. Modeled after the iconic Mustang, it captures the sleek lines and aggressive stance of the real deal. Driving it feels like owning a piece of automotive history, scaled down but still powerful. Imagine cruising it across smooth pavement, watching heads turn as people recognize the Mustang silhouette. It's perfect for car enthusiasts who want a gadget that reflects their love for classic design and modern performance. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And here's the best part. Because it's Traxxas, you know it's built with precision engineering. That means smooth handling, responsive controls, and durability that makes every drive feel authentic. It's like having a collectible that you can actually race. But what if racing could be smarter? Enter the Hot Wheels AI car and controller. This isn't your typical Hot Wheels. It's powered by artificial intelligence. The controller guides the car along virtual tracks, creating a racing experience that feels futuristic. Imagine setting up a race in your living room where the car knows the track and adjusts itself to stay competitive. It's like blending video games with real-world racing. Kids will love the interactive play, and adults will appreciate the clever tech behind it. It's a gadget that proves playtime can be both fun and innovative. And here's the twist. Because it uses AI, every race feels different. The car adapts, learns, and challenges you in ways that regular RC cars never could. It's like having a rival that keeps getting smarter, pushing you to race better every time. Next up, the Losi 1/6 Super Baja Ray 4WD desert truck. This is the kind of gadget that makes you feel like you're part of a desert rally. With its massive scale and four-wheel drive, it powers through sand, dirt, and gravel with ease. Imagine taking it to a beach, watching it spray sand as it speeds along the shoreline. The suspension system makes it bounce and glide realistically, almost like a full-size rally truck. It's not just about speed, it's about the immersive experience of off-road racing. For anyone who craves adventure, this truck delivers it in spades. And because it's so large, it feels more lifelike than smaller RC cars. You don't just watch it, you feel it as it rumbles across terrain with authority. It's the closest you'll get to joining a desert rally without leaving home. And finally, let's take to the skies with the E-flite F-18 Blue Angels 80mm EDF jet. This isn't just a model plane, it's a jet that flies with precision and grace. Modeled after the iconic Blue Angels, it captures the thrill of aerial stunts. Imagine launching it into the sky, watching it soar, loop, and dive like a real fighter jet. The roar of the EDF motor adds to the realism, making you feel like you're part of an air show. It's a gadget that combines engineering, artistry, and pure excitement. For aviation fans, this is the ultimate dream come true. And here's the magic. Flying this jet isn't just about speed, it's about skill. You get to practice maneuvers, test your reflexes, and experience the joy of piloting something that looks and feels like a real aircraft. It's not just a gadget, it's a gateway into the world of aviation. So, there you have it, 8 gadgets, each with its own personality. From gesture-controlled stunt cars to desert trucks and fighter jets. They're not just machines, they're experiences waiting to be had. Which gadget amazed you the most? Comment below, subscribe to Miraz Tech, and stay curious. I'll see you in the next one.